Okay, so we are in the Excel. Okay, and sometimes, well, we forget to save. Sometimes things happen. Okay, and your file goes missing. Okay, well, one solution is to enable autosave. Go into the setting. All right, go into the option. Okay, then you would see this save section. Right? Not many people notice this. Look at this two checkbox over here. There is a save auto recover information. Right? And you by default it's every 10 minutes. Okay, you can make it shorter, you can make it longer. All right. That way, basically, it will do a auto recover every 10 minutes, the file, the auto recover file. And if you're worried about closing something without saving, well, you can always check this box as well. All right. That way, okay, if anything were to go wrong, like let's say power trip, okay, or someone kicked the cable, all right, well, you probably will lose, well, 9 minutes, okay, because on the 10 minute, it will actually auto save for you.